चीज़ों की वैल्यू तब पता चलती है जब वो हमारे पास आ जाती हैं, और इंसान की वैल्यू असली तब पता चलती है जब वो हमसे दूर चले जाते हैं। यू नो वट, जो भी आप पूछ रहे हो ना, इन सारी बातों में एक चीज़ बड़ी कॉमन सी नज़र आ रही है, दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू हैव कंट्रोल ऑन योर फीलिंग्स एंड योर इमोशंस. ओके, एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द सिचुएशन दैट यू आर टॉकिंग कि हाँ कैसे पता चलेगा किस लड़की को चाहता हूँ. इफ़ यू कंट्रोल एंड गाइड योर फीलिंग्स, योर इमोशंस टू लाइक और डिसलाइक समवन, then it means at certain point of time you will realize that these feelings are not natural, they are guided or inspired, or they are led feelings. Okay, now if we come to कि लड़की कौन सी होगी, किससे हमें कहना चाहिए. You know what, as your age is around 21, okay, एक छोटा सा कोटेशन है जो आपने कभी व्हाट्सएप या फेसबुक पे पढ़ लिया होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ काफ़ी ज्ञान आ जाता है कभी कभी हमें देखने को, कि चीज़ों की वैल्यू तब पता चलती है जब वो हमारे पास आ जाती हैं, और इंसान की वैल्यू असली तब पता चलती है जब वो हमसे दूर चले जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो लड़की हमें पसंद आ रही है ना, उसमें जो ज़्यादातर चांसेस हैं वो केवल इस वजह से हैं क्योंकि वो लड़की हमारे आसपास है, अराउंड है, वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरह से हमको दिख जाती है. कभी फेसबुक स्टोरी पे, कभी व्हाट्सएप पे, कभी किसी नेटवर्क में, कभी किसी क्लास में, कभी अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ आती जाती हुई, वी आर स्टडिंग इन सम कॉलेज और समथिंग. तो इस वजह से क्या हुआ है, हमारी जो फीलिंग्स हैं वो बार बार ट्रिगर होती रहती हैं. अब क्योंकि हम भी इमोशनली उसी फीलिंग को कंट्रोल और गाइड करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, और उधर से एक एलेक्जायर और आया, एक लड़की का जो दिखना है या फेसबुक स्टोरीज़ का दिखना है, उस चीज़ ने उस चीज़ को और बीफ अप कर दिया, उस एक्टिविटी को और इंटेंसीफाई कर दिया अंदर जो चल रहा था. तो यहाँ पर जो मैं आपसे कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ वो ये है कि जो आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर है कि हाँ राइट लेवरेज और वो राइट गर्ल कौन सी होनी चाहिए, वो जवाब अंदर से आना है पहली चीज़ तो. और यहाँ पर जो भी चीज़ें हो रही हैं वो बाहर से ट्रिगर्ड हैं. कंट्रोलिंग इमोशंस, being triggered by the appearance of that girl on social media or in college, in corridor or in class or wherever, or WhatsApp. Sometimes you deliberately have created a broadcast list in which you, as a morning ritual, send a good morning message, and this good morning message goes to her. As she is also of same age, she also does not know how to deal with her feelings. She replies with you some hi or hello. Then a conversation begins. It goes or it lasts for a short duration. Then those feelings again emerge. Then you guide, you judge, you lead, you inspire your feelings to go deeper. So I hope till now you are now able to understand that how we are becoming the reason to trigger our feelings, to remain involved in guiding them and in controlling them, either to like or not to like. So whatever it is happening, you are whether trying to like or dislike, you are doing a same thing in every direction, that is meditating on that girl. And when you are meditating on single girl for a long time, that becomes your obsession. So we are allowing somebody to be our obsession, and we are asking, you are asking me to let you know or understand whether this obsession is love or not. So now what I am going to share with you is the answer of the question that how to understand whom we love more, whom we should propose, whom we should approach. So now this is really unexpected answer that I am going to share with you, that when you like somebody, when you like some girl, I honestly from my side would say that don't keep liking or disliking, and don't go in that cycle of guiding and controlling your emotions. You like somebody, say straight, I like you, you are really beautiful, but on a positive note with with that no expectation zone internally. What happens when you like so much or dislike so much, when you meditate so much, you internally create a psychology of expectation. And with that psychology of expectation, because one sided love has been started, it has been triggered, that expectation aura does not want that person to reject you or deconsider you. And that creates that pain, that lasting feeling that you can't deal with. So, at the very early stage, without meditating, without doing anything, without going into that cycle of guiding and controlling your emotions, without allowing yourself to build that psychology of expectation, say straight to that person, I like you, you're beautiful, and I am such a positive person that I don't have any expectation from you. I do not have that expectation of affair or these kind of things. When you say this, a girl is by default or should by default be as much vigilant and wise that she does not allow you beyond the boundary line, even if you continue the relationship as a friend or as a colleague or whatever. Okay, now this is what is the answer of that question, that whom to propose the girl you want, because this is not proposal, this is called confession. Don't let your feelings go to proposal thing. Now your question is, which girl is right for us, right? This can be the second thing, that you must be truly willing कि अगर सबसे ही रिजेक्ट होते रहेंगे, सब कोई कन्फेस करते रहेंगे, तो राइट लड़की का कैसे पता चलेगा? राइट लड़की तो अल्टीमेटली एवरीबडी वांट्स टू रीच दैट राइट गर्ल who you want to hold hand together with, you want to go for a date. उसका ऐसे पता चलेगा that you allow a short breakup in your heart in which you are away from that particular girl, and in or during that breakup, if you are unable to like any other girl around you, then it means she is somebody. She is somebody without whom you are feeling less. She's somebody you actually can't live without. Then she is the right person, still with no expectation. You can propose with that intention of love, and of course not the intention of watching movie, not the intention of one night stand or these kind of wrong intentions, but those genuine intentions of a bright and happy and beautiful future with that girl. But the chances are that when you allow a breakup, you actually don't allow a breakup, you actually find or hunt for new beauties in the outside world. We have a tendency, inbuilt tendency, that we don't want to avoid looking at some beautiful guy. So when we do this, we actually are, what we are doing, we are compromising our character. And a man with character who was actually telling his mind, or who was actually realizing that I like some girl, and still when you like and you are telling yourself you love some girl, and still your character is allowing you to look at some girl with that negative and undesirable perspective, that is wanton perspective, is something you are a man of less character. कहते हैं ना character less, उसको थोड़ा उल्टे तरीके से समझो, less character. Getting characterless नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन I hope you are able to understand. So when you are around other girls, or other girls are around you, of course physically more beautiful than the girl you love, then you know what will actually inspire you to love that girl again? Her behavior. I mean the girl who you were telling yourself that you are in love with. So her behavior, if comes to your mind, her genuine feelings, if come to your mind, the way she appreciated you, the way she forgave you on your silly mistakes, the way she loved your flaws or loved you with your flaws, would actually win over that beauty of those, I can say, sexy girls, or those attractive girls, physically attractive girls, and that is the right person you can decide to live your life with, because at that time you are immersed and attached with true beauty, not physical beauty, beauty of mind and soul.